Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. Here is a IO, right? It's a Mac 1416NU. Now, what are the important signals it receives and it gives? So those things we will discuss in today's video. In any active IC, there should be a voltage, correct? So once supply goes, then only it will start working. Like this, same. Here is the master chip, right? So for this, multiple pins are there and multiple input also is there. Means it's a supply, power supply. Okay. So here the pin number 5, 19, 22, 65, 82, 103 and 115 has 3 volts supply. Pin number 95 has 1.0 volts prime supply. Pin number 54 has 1.8 volts always supply. For any positive supply, there should be a ground, then only the circuit will complete. Here pin number 17, 51, 64, 84, 100, 112 and 124 pins are ground. See here actually 112 pin number is EC_A ground. It's analog ground. Pin number 122 is plus RTC_cell_ feedback supply. It's a 3.3 volts from the cell. Once 3 volt supply will enter from the battery, cell battery, then here a crystal, that YE1 crystal is there, no, 32.768 kilohertz crystal will get active and that supply will goes to this IC pin number 123 and 125. Those are xtal1_R, Mac_xtal2. When you connect the adapter, the first information, PSID information goes to the chip, IO chip. Using this signal only, this IO will decide whether the battery has to be charged or not. Here is the battery related information goes to IO. One is 96, it's a power selection. Second one is battery present ash, that is the pin number 29. Next, once battery start charging, two signals are very important. Through these signals only the battery will get charged. Once the input related signals everything is okay, then through this SMB dot means data, SMB clock, using these two signals battery will get start. Once the charging IC, the charging PWM section will start working, it will collect the information of the main supply, that may be the battery side or that may be the adapter side or that may be both. That 19 VB is there, no? That information it will collect and it sends some signals to the IO. Depending on that, IO will guess it may be start the laptop or not. That decision will take according to the main voltage supply. What are those? See here, pin number 24 is the HWACAV_NB. Next 128 is the HWACAV_in. Everyone says right, it's a AC in, that is the one, AC okay. And next 114 is IBAT, I mean battery current. 110 is I adapter current. And next AC discharge, actually it will be reserved one, it will be in disable mode. When anything goes wrong in the motherboard, then this voltage will release and it will cut off the main power supply. Here actually power related information, the pin number 127 is power_SW_in ash. Actually here 3.3 voltage should be there. When this voltage goes to the ground and again it comes to the normal position, then only the system will consider it's a on. Okay, so here is the power on. When you press the power button, no, there will be a voltage. That voltage, this is the one, 127, and lid also should be there, because when you close the laptop, that inches will close, no, that time it will consider as a laptop closed. Okay, the lid information, lid and this power should have 3.3 volts. The pin number 66 is the lid_CL_SIO ash, 127 is the power power button switch. So here these were the very important signals before pressing power button in S5 state. Okay, so in future videos we will check the PCH and processor, what will be the status of those things, and very information things we can discuss in upcoming videos. Thank you very much.